NotebookLM doesn't have a built-in way to download your sources, but there's a free Chrome extension called NotebookLM Sources Exporter that lets you extract and download all your sources as Markdown files in just a few clicks. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store, search for NotebookLM Sources Exporter. It's the specific one created by Hugo Hamel. Click on it. Hit Add to Chrome, click Add Extension, and wait for it to install. It's only around 30 kilobytes, so it's incredibly lightweight and done in seconds. Once it's installed, let's pin it so it's always easy to find. Click the extensions icon, that little puzzle piece, in the top right corner of your browser. Find NotebookLM Sources Exporter and click the pin icon. Now it'll always be visibly docked in your toolbar for easy access. Next, go to your NotebookLM dashboard and open the specific notebook with the sources you want to download or backup. Now click the newly added NotebookLM Sources Exporter icon in your toolbar. This opens a really convenient side panel right inside the same page without forcing you to open a new tab. Click Extract All Sources. And just like that, the extension instantly scans your notebook and pulls all the raw source text into the panel. You'll see all your sources laid out in a clean, organized list. You can click into any individual document to browse through it, or just download everything at once to save time. To download a single source, just click the file name and then click Download as Markdown file. Or if you want everything for a complete archive, hit Download All and all your sources come down as perfectly formatted separate Markdown files. Each source saves as a clean .md file, which seamlessly imports into almost any modern knowledge management app like Obsidian, Notion, or Roam Research, as well as any basic text editor. There is no formatting mess, just the pure text content. And that's really all there is to it. Install NotebookLM Sources Exporter, open your notebook, extract, and download. All your valuable sources are saved locally in seconds. There is absolutely no sign-in required and no data ever leaving your computer, just a secure, clean backup of everything you've been researching. If you found this quick productivity tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more workflow tips, and I will see you on the next one.